Hi, so we're here in our R&D center in Cebu in the heart of the Philippines, and this is our demonstration laser laboratory. And what I want to demonstrate now is the system, the CaLM system we've been developing over the last 5 or 6 years here in our R&D lab. CaLM stands for Control and Laser Monitoring, okay? And this is a system that sits on top of our ICS-9 laser interlock system, and it displays, it's an informational display. It gives you displays the status, the entire status of the lab on a screen. This is a 40-inch monitor outside the lab. So you can see everything that's going on inside the lab, all the inputs and the outputs, the status of them. And at the moment, this is actually set up as one large lab with a dividing curtain, which you'll see in a minute. And so we've got two interlock systems here, but you can see that they're both disarmed, okay? And you can immediately see the reason why they're both disarmed is you're looking at the red. This door is open and this curtain is open. So Zach's going to close the curtain. So close the curtain, you see the curtain's showing there, so we can see it's closed. Now he's closed the door, so we can see everything's green, everything's ready to go. So now we can arm the system. So we see the sign changing color. So now we have, this system is amber, okay? So the system's armed, but there's no laser radiation accessible in the lab at the moment, okay? Because the system's armed, but none of the outputs are actually armed. This system on the other side of the other lab is still disarmed, so that's why that's green, okay? So now Zach's going to open a shutter, and here we see the laser wavelength displayed here. So this is one of the critical reasons why we developed this system, because it displays in real time the wavelengths of the lasers which are currently accessible. So Zach's opened a beam shutter. We got a 632 nanometer laser beam on that one. He's enabled an interlock operator, which is connected to a 532 nanometer laser. So these two are displayed. The color status is red, and the two wavelengths are displayed. Okay. Now this could be the purpose of this is so that before you go inside the lab, you know what protective eyewear to put on. So this is really critical.